Yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a core strengthening yoga flow. Our core consists of not only the visible muscles in the front of our abdomen, but all the muscles around the entire torso, including the back muscles, our obliques, as well as deep abdominal muscles. Having a strong core can help with balance, stability, and strength overall. You can practice this flow by itself or combine it with another flow. It's also a great warm-up for your core before practicing any arm balances or inversions. So if you want to strengthen your core, come flow with me. Meet me in Tadasana at the top of your mat, mountain pose. Ground down through your feet. Engage your core. And just let your palms be by your sides. Close your eyes and tune into your breath. Release any to-do lists, any tension, anything stressful. It's just you, your breath, and your mat for the next 10 minutes. Blink your eyes open, inhale your arms up. As you exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, lift up halfway, pinch your shoulder blades behind you. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up halfway, strengthen your core. Exhale, plant your palms and step back to your plank pose. Remember that you can always come down to your knees here. Engage your core. Exhale, lower down all the way to your belly. Bring your palms by your sides, pinkies towards your thighs. Zip up your legs if you can. Engage your core as you lift your legs and arms and chest up off the floor. Exhale and lower. Inhale, lift everything up off the floor. Take your gaze slightly towards the top of your mat, not craning your neck. Exhale and lower. Inhale, lift up once more. Exhale and lower. Palms underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes under. Shift yourself to your downward facing dog. And take your time getting there. Breathe in and out. Adjust. Maybe pedal out your feet. Take your time settling into the pose, finding movement or stillness. Bring your toes together to touch, and as you exhale, cross your right ankle over your left. As you inhale, shift forward and then lift your right arm for a side plank. Exhale, plant your palm, shift back to your downward dog. Inhale, shift forward, make your way to side plank. Exhale, back to that cross-legged downward dog. Inhale, shift forward, side plank. Exhale, plant the palm, shift back to your cross-legged down dog. Uncross your right leg, step it forward, then step the left foot forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold as you sink your hips low. Reach your arms high with your knees bent, chair pose. Engage your core. Squeeze your thighs towards each other even if they don't touch. Bringing your palms to heart center. Exhale, twist over to your right side. You can hook your left elbow over your right thigh if it works for you. Moving from deep within your core, keeping your upper body the same, lunge the left leg back. Finding a twisted crescent lunge here. As you inhale, lift your arms, staying in an open twist. Exhale, plant the left fingertips down as you lift the back leg high for a revolved half moon. You can always use a block here if you need to. Exhale, soft landing as you spiral open into your warrior two. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, and go through your vinyasa. We'll meet in downward facing dog. As you exhale, cross the left ankle over your right. Inhale and shift forward, side plank. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, shift forward, left arm rises. Exhale, plant the palm, shift back to your down dog. Inhale one more time for that side plank. Exhale, back to your down dog. Uncross the left leg, step it forward, step the right leg forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold, bend into your knees, sink your hips low, reach the arms high. Chair pose. Exhale the palms to heart center as you twist towards your left. Engaging your core, lunge your right leg back for a twisted crescent lunge. As you inhale, rise into that open twist. Exhale, send your gaze forward, reach the right fingertips low, lift the back leg high, revolved half moon. Breathe here. If you fall out, just get right back into it. Exhale, soft landing as you spiral open into your warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms down, step back, lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale your chest high. Exhale into your downward facing dog. And catch your breath here. If you've lost your breath, take a deep breath in, drop your jaw and side away. On an exhale, step your feet to the middle of your mat and come back into a seat. Bend your knees here, feet flat on the mat. Roll your shoulders down, back and away from your ears. Holding onto the backs of your thighs, inhale, lift both feet up off the floor, boat pose. You can keep your palms behind your thighs. You can straighten out your legs and release your palms by your legs, or you can keep your knees bent. Again, take the variation that works for you and allows you to stay the strongest with your heart open. As you exhale, lower down all the way onto your back. Bend your knees once more. Tuck your shoulders underneath you. Walk your heels towards your glutes. Inhale, lift your hips into bridge pose. You can clasp your fingers underneath you if you'd like, or you can keep your palms flat on your mat. Wherever you are, engage the core. Exhale, lower down one vertebrae at a time. Hug your knees into your chest. Maybe rock side to side, forward and back. On an exhale, flex your toes towards your nose and take a peek towards those toes. Then begin to rock and roll forward and back until you create enough momentum to go straight into boat pose, lifting the legs, keeping the core engaged, keeping the heart open, and continuing to breathe. On an exhale, lower your feet down, straighten out the right leg, bend the left knee as you bring the left heel towards your right inner thigh. Finding your sit bones firmly on the mat, inhale, lift your arms, lengthen your spine. Exhale as you fold over your right leg. Allow your palms to rest wherever they land, whether that's your feet, your shins, your thighs. Inhale, engage your core as you lift, placing the left palm behind you. Inhale your hips up, opening up the right side of your body. Exhale, gently lower down. This time, extend your left leg, bring your right heel into your left inner thigh. Again, find the time to connect your sit bones with your mat. And then inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale, hinge at the hips, folding over your left leg. Breathe in and out. Hug your belly button up and in to create a deeper fold. On an inhale, engage your core, lift your torso, and placing the right palm next to your right hip. Inhale, lift your hips up off the ground. Breathe into this openness you're creating in the front line of your body. Exhale, lower the hips, and shift yourself to the center of your mat, knees bent, feet flat on the mat. And as slow as you can, with your core engaged, lower all the way onto your back. Lift your feet up off the ground, knees bent, creating just about a 90-degree angle, knees over your hips. Allow your arms to extend up towards the sky. Again, elbow, wrist, and shoulder all in one line. And as you inhale, gently extend the left leg and the right arm, not touching the ground, just hovering. Exhale, bring the left knee and right arm back. Inhale, extend the right leg and left arm. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, extend the opposite side. Exhale, back to center, keeping your core engaged as you move, slow and steady. Continuing with your own breath for a few more rounds. Keeping the small of your back against your mat. Breathing as you move. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Again, rock side to side or forward and back, whatever feels good in your body. Exhale, lower your feet, extend the legs out long. Extend the arms up overhead for a long body stretch. And then bringing your palms by your sides, letting your feet fall open. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and sigh away as you melt into your mat for your final resting pose. Stay here as long as you'd like. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Then extend your arms up overhead for one more long body stretch. Exhale, bend your knees and roll over onto one side. Pause here for a breath or two. And then press yourself up into a seat whenever you're ready. Palms come to heart center. Namaste. Now that you've worked on strengthening your core, I hope the rest of your day goes a little bit smoother and a little bit more balanced. If you enjoyed this flow, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It always means a lot to me if you share this video with those you care about or on social media. If you do share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. Everything I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. If you want to practice more vinyasa flows, check out this playlist right here. You can also find yin yoga and relaxing and gentler yoga videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.